A magnitude 6.8 earthquake has hit Guatemala's Pacific coast, the U.S. Geological Survey has reported. There are no immediate reports of what damage has occurred, but there are reports of tremors in neighboring El Salvador and Mexico. The U.S. Geological Survey said the earthquake struck 24 miles, 38 kilometers, southwest of Puerto San Jose, approximately 6.2 miles, 10 kilometers, below the Earth's surface. This is the second such earthquake to hit the Central American country in the last week. That earthquake hit the interior of the country, killing 2 people,